Why you can't see other people's Instagram stories and how to fix them. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how to fix your issue if you are not able to view other people's stories on Instagram. Now, make sure you are updated to the latest version of the app. Head over to your Play Store and search for Instagram. And once there, you'll get an interface like this. Now, if your app is not up to date, you'll get an update option instead of this open option that you can see on the screen right now. Tap on update and update it. Once it gets installed, open the app, and here on the top you can find the stories. Now, the reason you probably can't see at the story is because you have muted them. You can see that this way you can mute the story, or you can mute the story and post. Now you can see that it hides the story and I can't find here. Now how I can find it? If I scroll here and here, long press on the profile and click on unmute story, then it will be shown again. This way you can fix if you have muted someone's story and it still not shows up. Then try logging out of your account and log in again. Hope this helps. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.